Hey bunnies, for today's video we're going to be doing a hair review. Now the hair that I'm going to be reviewing is from Encore. It is their Ombre La Vie Remy Quality hair extension, and it is a human hair blend. Now back in the day when I very first started wearing weave, Encore was one of the brands that I was wearing. Encore is by Janet Collection, but it was one of the first types of hair that I did wear. It was affordable, it was human hair blend, so it could take high amounts of heat, all that good stuff. So when I saw this hair, the blue hair, the Encore La Vie Ombre hair, I decided that I definitely wanted to try it out. Now from what I remembered about Encore, it did shed, but that's mainly because I used to cut the wefts and then bond it in between my hair, so I would have glue all in my hair all the time. But I decided to take this hair and make it into a wig. Now if you watched my past two videos, you would have seen this hair. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this hair. My Instagram is here if you want to see what the hair looks like in picture. I put her on my little mannequin. Let me see if I can get it to focus on her. There you go. So this is it here on the mannequin. Again, it is a blue ombre, and then what I did was I took a frontal that I got same from a local beauty supply store, and I put it in front of it. Now I was going to bleach the ends of the frontal so that, and then color it blue so that it matched the hair, but I was just too lazy and I didn't want to go through all of that. So this is the hair here by itself. The lengths that I got were 10 and 12. I put the 10 in the back, the 12 on top, and did like a blunt cut. Now when I first did this, and I did it on a spandex cap with a hot glue gun. Now when I first did this, there was very minimal shedding. There was very minimal shedding, unlike the hair I reviewed a while back, like maybe a month ago, where it was just shedding uncontrollably even though it was hot glued. This one, there was very minimal shedding, which is a plus, because like I said, back in the day, the Encore, it was not that great. I did wear this hair for exactly 2 weeks. I took it off and put this wig back on because it was just sticking up in the air and it started to look very plasticky and synthetic-y, and I couldn't go out like that. It was just not gonna happen. But it did its job. It looked very nice. I got so many compliments on it. It looked really well with my skin tone. I was actually debating between this color and purple, because they do have it in this blue, they have it in purple, they have it in a silver blonde and red. So I was going to do either purple or this, but then I saw somebody in the beauty supply store with this color and I was like, that's the one. And I feel like it just, you know, it's of course ombre all the way throughout, the black roots all throughout, but the blue is very electric. As I said, when I first started wearing it, there was very minimal shedding. Up until I took it off, there was very minimal shedding. It did stain my clothes. The color did bleed on. I was wearing a very light colored shirt. Thankfully it wasn't white. It was a very light colored shirt, and it stained my shoulders really badly. Since then it hasn't happened. I don't know, maybe because it was like fresh out the pack or something, but it, you know, yeah. And then to hold my frontal down, that's going to be a completely different video, because for the first week I did Got To Be glue. The second week I used Ghost Bond glue. Ghost Bond is what I'm wearing right now, and Ghost Bond is like it's a whole different, I have to do a whole video on that, because it's just like, yeah, Ghost Bond is where it's at right now. Cost wise, it's a very affordable. The 12-inch I honestly don't remember the price, but the 10-inch I want to say was $16.99, and then the 12-inch I want to say was like maybe $19 or something like that, or 20 something. I used the entire 2 packs of hair, including the frontal, so it is very full. Again, I got a lot of compliments. Another con about the hair though, when I applied heat to it, like for most of my human hair blends, it will take 450, which is what my flat iron goes up to. But with this one, it couldn't take more than 300 and something. If it was more than 3 something, it would feel like it started to melt. It will bump, it should curl. I didn't try curling it, but it should curl if you keep your iron on a low temperature. But anything higher than like 350 is a no-go for this hair. Okay, if you want like a quick style, a quick do, then this is definitely it. I would definitely wear her again if I'm doing something like last minute, or I want like a pop of color somewhere, I would definitely do this. I think I'm going to try to revive her some kind of way. I don't know how, but we'll see how that works out. But this is how she's looking after 2 weeks. Like I said, I just could not wear this anymore. Even when I flat ironed her, she just wasn't looking the way I wanted her to look, you know. And then how I had her, for the first week, she was in a side part. My voice is going. For the first week, she was in a side part, so I had the parting all the way over here, and it came over, and I would tuck it behind my ear. And then for the second week, I had her as a center part. As I said, if you follow me on Instagram, which is here, you will, you know, see the pictures there. But this is it. That's her. That's the review. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I didn't mention, go ahead and leave me a question in the comment section. If you want to add anything, if you tried the hair before, go ahead and leave that in the comment section so other people can know about it. I'm going to try to find links for you on where you can purchase this hair if you want to purchase this hair. Again, it does come in, I think, 4 or 5 colors, and I got mine from my local beauty supply store, so you can go and check your local beauty supply store to see if they have it. Yeah, but that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.